Hello children. So again I am here to teach you social study. So today's topic is page number 50, doctors. We were doing chapter number 6. Till now I have made two parts of it. In the second part you have learned about farmers and the teachers. Now today's topic is doctors. Doctors look after the health of the people living in a community. Underline this. What does the doctor do? Doctors look after the health of the people living in a community. Then next is doctors work in healthcare centers, in village or in big hospitals, and nursing home in cities. Now where does the doctors work? They work in healthcare centers, in villages or in big hospitals and nursing homes in cities. They can be general physician or specialists such as cardiologists who treat heart diseases, surgeons who do the surgeries, pediatricians who are expert in treating children. Doctor work selflessly in treating people, helping them get better and saving their lives. Now what does the doctor do? Doctor can be a general physician. General physician means who can see normally all the things, all types of patients. Specialist means cardiology, who takes care only the heart patients, the heart disease. Surgeon who can do all kinds of surgeries. Pediatricians means who can treat only the children. Doctors work selflessly in treating the in treating people, helping them better and saving their lives. Now what does the doctor do? What is the work of the doctor? So your answer will be doctors work selflessly in treating people, helping them better and saving their lives. Without doctor, it would be very difficult for people to overcome their illness and lead healthy life. If doctors were not there, then our life will be what? It will be very difficult. Then who will treat us in our illness? So doctors plays an important role in our society. Here you can see in the picture a team of doctors performing a surgery on a patient. You have already seen these in some movies, the scene of movies, or in national Discovery Channel and all. You can see these kinds of things. So come to the next page, page number 51. Now the next topic is the police. The person works in the police department form a very important part of our community. Now those person who are working in the police department are the very important part of our community. They help keep the community safe. What does they do? They keep our communities safe. They make the lives of people safe by protecting them from thieves and robbers. How do they protect us? They protect us from thieves and robbers. They also arrest people who break the law and make sure that they are punished. Now, what is the work of the police? They arrest the people who are breaking the law and make sure that they are punished also. If we have to lodge a complaint against a crime, we go to police station. Now, if something has happened, so where should we go? We should go to police station to lodge a complaint. We go to police station and tell the policeman and woman there about it. What has happened? We should tell them and they will lodge a complaint against what has happened. They make a note of the incident and then start investigating to find the people who have committed the crime. Now what they do? First they write the complaint. After writing, they make a note of the incident. They listen the whole incident. After listening, they will start investigating to find the people who has committed the crime. It is the job of the people to find and arrest criminals and keep the community safe. What is the job of police? That they have to find and arrest the criminals, those who have done something wrong, to keep our society or community safe. Here you can see policemen posted at a large gathering. These are lady police. Always the policemen are not the men only. They can be men as well as the women also. There is a police station in every neighborhood. Now in every neighborhood there is a police station given. The duty of the traffic police is to ensure the smooth movement of the traffic. Now what is the duty of the traffic police? That they should make the movement of traffic smooth. Means where there is traffic jam or something like that, so they should ensure the traffic should be smooth. There should not be any traffic jam. If it is there, then they should ensure what has happened, and they should go and they should clear that particular traffic jam. Without them, there would be confusions on the road and we would not be able to travel smoothly. Now if on the roads the traffic policemen are not there, then what will happen? We would not be able to travel smoothly. Then everybody will not follow the rules. In the red light the vehicles will move and nobody will listen to anyone, and as if only they will be moving, and in this way the accidents can also occur. So if the duty of the traffic police is to ensure the smoothness movement of the traffic, without them they would have confusion on the road and we would be not able to travel smoothly. Now in the next video we will be starting with the firefighters, and I will be finishing off with this. So in the next video we'll do the firefighters. In this video I have explained you about doctors and the police. Till then please read the chapter, and whatever we have underlined, please try to learn it and understand it. Thank you children.